Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Media Offline in DaVinci Resolve 18, solve Media Offline error, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve project with the Media Offline. So this is how a Media Offline should look like. So since this one is under red, so we'll just have to click onto the clip here, onto the timeline, right click onto that, and right after, you should be able to see an option to find this in the media pool. So this is just for instance that if you have many clips onto your timeline. So you should go ahead and locate it in here onto your media pool where that specific clip is. Right after, once you have located that, it will be highlighted with red. Right click onto this again and then click on reveal in media storage. So it should go ahead and reveal that onto the media storage if you have not deleted that or if you have not moved it or renamed it. So as you can see, it will give you its path wherein it was initially added. So you'll have to search for that path onto your media storage to go ahead and find that. And since I don't see that one over in here, let's click onto OK. So as you can see, here is the clip still onto the same path, but it is now renamed. So you'll just have to go ahead and browse onto your files. Maybe you have renamed it or you have accidentally moved that clip, and you'll just have to bring it back again or change its name back to its original state to add that clip again. And that is how to fix Media Offline in DaVinci Resolve, solve Media Offline error, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.